Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm using a nunchuck here um, to run this brushless motor, and I can set the speed with this nunchuck very easy, like this. I can slow down and stop the motor. Yeah, this video is not about the tutorial how to control the brushless motor. Actually, I'm going to have a big announcement for those people who love aircrafts but haven't got a clue how and where to start. But I'm going to make a tutorials and upload every 4 or 5 days. In each tutorial, we are going step by step through the fundament of the modules which we are using in aircrafts. Since the quadcopter are easier to start, our goal will be set to build a quadcopter from the scratch. We're going through motors, sensors, ESP, IMU, GPS, remote control, PID control, data and video transmitters, and um, more and more. Even you will learn how to build your remote control with your cell phone and tablet, and also we will explain about the physics how a quadcopter flies in a simple way. The good news is you don't have to be an engineer to accomplish this project. These tutorials are designed for everybody, especially for beginners. Please subscribe in my YouTube channel and join us in Facebook and Google Plus group not to miss any of my tutorials and discussions, and also the subscribers receive and access to source codes. And in a few weeks we are starting our first tutorial. I will announce the starting date in Facebook group. Please stay tuned, and again, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos. See you guys soon. Bye.